Dah berapa lama tak datang kakak, adik?
30.
Right. Clement. Right. Clement.
Yeah.
Then you will understand. Right. Sama yang ada air tu lah. Kamu. Right. Okay.
Owner of found passport, please come to the information counter. The city has been changed to gate C24.
Tidak begitu.
Flight TR466 bound for Kuala Lumpur. We will be boarding according to your zone number and your seat number.
We are paging for passenger Mr. Hamid.
On behalf of all the crew, very warm welcome aboard Swift Flight TR466, service to Kuala Lumpur.
We do apologize for the delay in boarding, as this was due to the late arrival of the aircraft from the previous flight.
The rest of cabin crew, also named Scooties, David, Cayenne, and Sweet. We are there to welcome aboard Scoot, the budget of Singapore Airlines. We are pleased to carry passengers and co-share partners. The flight taps down sharply to active flow oxygen. Place the mask over nose and mouth. Pull the elastic strap over your head and adjust the strap. Breathe normally. Be sure to fill all masks before helping others. Please note where the emergency exit located on this aircraft. There are exits at the front, at the back, and ladies and gentlemen, we'll be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. Should you wish to continue reading, your reading light switch is on the panel above you. Thank you.
To your takeoff stations, please. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened and the window shade should be drawn up. The earpiece is allowed to be worn during takeoff, and charging on portable electronic devices also not allowed, and the seatbelt sign is switched on. Thank you.
Commence our descent into Kuala Lumpur. There's no time difference between Singapore and Kuala Lumpur, and the local time now is 8:30 in the evening. Based on the latest weather and traffic, our estimated time of landing is 10 minutes past 9 p.m. Weather reported in Lumpur is cloudy with a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, thank you for choosing to fly Scoot, and we hope to see you again on one of our flights in the near future. Have a pleasant evening.
For experience. As an additional thing, please do have luggage and seats in front of you. and gentlemen, welcome to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We'd like to apologize for late arrival of this flight. The local time now is 3 minutes to 9 in the evening with a ground temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Charging of transport electronic devices are not allowed during taxi. During taxi, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and the fasten seatbelt sign to turn off. It's important that you do not stand up until the advice is given by the crew. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartment, as the items may have moved during landing and could fall out.
Give me food also.